I love the rain. I love getting drenched in the rain. It was a sudden downpour. It felt like cloudburst. It was raining cats and dogs. The cool, refreshing raindrops soaked my clothes. My shoes squished with every step after walking through the puddles. The roads became slippery and dangerous. There were muddy puddles all around. The drains got clogged with muddy water. The potholes got filled with muddy water. It was very hard to walk or drive. The rain turned the roads into muddy, messy paths. The speeding cars splashed water on the pedestrians. Getting wet in the rain reminded me of my childhood days. Enjoy.